Hi, I'm Valentino Giudice, the author of Rapty. Now, if you don't know what Rapty is, please go check it out first. I would actually much rather have you know what Rapty is than watch this very video. You can find all sources you need in the description below. So, Rapty is a keylogger for Windows that antiviruses don't really seem to detect. SuperRapty is another spyware I made. So what does it do? First of all, like Rapty is not really detected by antivirus software, and it does all that Rapty does. However, it does better. Unlike Rapty, it can also detect when multiple keys are pressed together. I also made a better interface for the attacker, which shows some information about the user, such as their IP address and their Windows username. Also, you've got an individual identifier for each physical computer, and also a number that changes in every single session. In order to prevent inconsistent data to the server, it only sends information if it is the first instance open of the application. However, here it starts to get interesting. SuperRapty is not just a keylogger, it's way more powerful than that. So one thing that it does, which Rapty doesn't, is that it puts itself in automatic execution. Keep in mind that it does not need to have admin privileges. Also, since it's not just a keylogger, it does much more. Every few seconds, and that's a very cool part, it takes a screenshot and it sends it to the server. So in case what you're typing is enough for me, I can also see what's on your screen. Now, that doesn't make detecting key presses less useful, since I can sort of see what you're typing on your screen, but in a lot of cases it's much easier to work on a log of press keys instead of on images, right? So that's why I detect key presses, which also include passwords, just in case anyone types password at all. But it's not done yet. SuperRapty has a third functionality, which is remote code execution. So I assume all of you are familiar with what the Windows command prompt is, but in case you do not, you can see it as a very trivial interface to the computer. Most programs nowadays have a graphical interface, right? You open it and you use it with the mouse and the keyboard. However, the Windows command prompt does not work like that. You simply type commands in and the computer executes them. You may not be able to do everything if you don't have admin privileges, but you can still do a shit ton of things. So what SuperRapty does is it opens a command prompt window, but in the background, which means that you cannot actually see it. And it takes commands from the server and it runs them on the computer. That means that as an attacker, I can not only see what's on your screen, I can not only see whatever you're typing or what keys you're pressing anyways, but I can even run commands on your computer. Now, of course, I could use that to harm you somehow. I could, for instance, delete some files you may really care about, but I don't think that would be smart. Also, SuperRapty is designed to be a spyware, and you don't really want to harm when you're just spying someone. You want to, spy them. However, here is the thing. Not only SuperRapty runs the commands, but it also sends the output to the server. That means, for instance, that I can run a command to have a list of all files on your computer. And once I do that, I can see that one of your files is called passwords.txt. And if you weren't already, you are fucked, because I can now read the file. There is a command for that. I can get the content of the file, and I will probably have some password yours. That's of course just a tiny example. I can really do a lot of things if I can send commands to your computer and even get back the output. Now, I'm not gonna give you the source code of SuperRapty, not gonna happen, at least until Rapty, not SuperRapty, Rapty is detected by at least some antivirus software. But for now, I'm not gonna give the source code to anyone. However, I am going to talk about the technical details a tiny bit. What I found out once more is that very often it's a very tiny and insignificant detail that lets the antiviruses find out that it's a virus. So in quite many cases, what I did in order not to be detected was not to make, very big changes, but very tiny ones, such as changing the name of a variable or swapping two lines of code or stuff like that. As for the communication with the server, in order not to be discovered, what I wanted was to consume as little bandwidth as possible. Now, I will admit that the keylog is kinda bigger than what it should be. However, I did do something good with the screenshots and with the remote code execution. So first of all screenshots are resized so that I'm not going to send to the server like a very big screenshot. There is no need for that. I don't even want to necessarily be able to read well on the screen and see every detail. The screenshots are just to have a very basic idea of what you're doing, because I still have the keylog. But yeah, you can really see and read a lot on the screenshots still, because they are not too small anyways, they are just not too big either. With the remote code execution, what happens is that every few seconds, I think like 2.5, I'm not sure, but anyways, every few seconds, a single request is sent to the server. The payload of the request contains already the content of the standard output from the command line, and the response from the server contains the input to be given to the command line. So basically, this way I solve two problems in just one request instead of having two separate requests. So did I test my software? Oh yes, I did. What you're about to see is me testing the software with the help of a fellow university student.
Puoi fare come vuoi, tanto poi...
No, scusa, non ho capito, ma mi hai appena detto di non condividere lo schermo.
Non serve che tu condivida lo schermo.
Quindi lo facciamo sul tuo computer?
No, sul tuo, ma tanto io ti controllo anche l'esistenza.
Ah, ok.
Cosa vuoi condividermi lo schermo? Ti controllo tutto, condividimi anche la tastiera. Nel momento in cui lo apri io ho la tua... ti possiedo. Comunque io ti invio... Ah, lo stai aggiornando?
No, scontando che sei tutto quanto aggiornato e Kaspersky anche. Voilà, eseguito. C'è questa roba qua. E che devo fare adesso quindi?
Te. Come essere umano.
Cosa? Se vuoi va bene, dai.
Ah no, ok, ho ricevuto, scusa, lo vedi il mio schermo?
Quasi, aspetta. Ok, sì.
Ok, questo è quello che vedo io. Non so se tu ti renda conto. Metti Skype a destra nello schermo. Guarda. Questo è il mio schermo, quello che stai vedendo è il mio schermo.
Sì.
Non so se tu ti renda
Sì,
conto
vedo.
del controllo che ho. Questa è la console, è la riga di comando questa.
Io non mi pia.
Cosa? Ho il tweet.
Sì, vedo.
Questo identifica la sessione. Questo è il tuo nome utente. Se vuoi puoi anche mettere Skype in background adesso che hai visto. Vedi che qua si rimpicciolisce sempre, fa la matriosca. Perché questo lo vedo nel video. Vedi che mi arriva un frame ogni tanto.
Sì.
Non fa abbastanza paura.
Abbastanza, ma vuoi vedere che cosa fai? Continua.
Comunque, domanda. Per caso devi fare dei calcoli?
Mi hai fatto partire la calcolatrice.
No, ma sai che se vuoi puoi dare dei comandi al computer così magari puoi terminare. Perché vedi qua, questa è la console di audio.
Dove?
Qua, guarda qua a destra dove sto muovendo il mouse, vedi?
Il mouse? Ok, sì, quella lì, sì, la vedo.
Supponiamo che io voglia avere la struttura d'albero, faccio cd / sì, lo so.
Perché
In realtà,
ho fatto il backup del NAS.
Calcola che quello che uno vede quando fa il trim sono più che altro appelle automatiche. Però non so se...
Punto XML.
Tra l'altro una cosa che è abbastanza ovvia. Adesso ovviamente stai collaborando, ma questo non serve necessario, era solo per aspettare.
Sì.
Mi servirebbe Però un attaccante reale, guarda che non ci mette comunque degli anni, cioè un attaccante reale aspetta quei 10 minuti che ci mette il trigo, un po' di più, e termina l'attacco adesso. Beh, quindi, però sì, mi è arrivato.
Non ho idea.
Comunque direi che il progetto è terminato a questo punto.
Sì.
A meno che non riesca ad ingannare il game.
Ciao.
Che sarebbe... Endgame già è uno di quelli che mi aveva dato difficoltà in passato. Questi qua secondo me cercavano semplicemente la stringa SuperRapty dentro, tutti questi altri colleghi. Ok, e adesso il conteggio è passato a 0 su 63.
I definitely recommend you to read the description down below, just in case I forgot something in this video. In that case, I'm gonna write it in the description. And bye.